Tesla is the sole car manufacturer with a reputation for taking an aggressive approach to corporate operations. Tesla is also one of the newest automobile manufacturers in the United States, competing with the country's automobile industry's giants. And now they're beating them up, utilizing the same aggressive strategy in the electric mobility market. The electric vehicle maker has been operating all of its manufacturing plants at total capacity. These are referred to as Gigafactories. Now, the Tesla Gigafactory in Austin, Texas continues to be the slowest. Production rates are higher than at any of the company's other Gigafactories. However, it appears that Tesla has addressed this issue by increasing production rates at its Texas facility. According to recent research, Tesla just boosted its manufacturing capacity at Giga Texas of its most recent general model, the Model Y. As a result, in this video, we'll take a look at the new 2022 Tesla Model Y and Giga Texas's amazing production pace, which will revolutionize everything. But before that, make sure you click the like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. A drone operator in Austin, Texas, recently flew his drone over the Gigafactory and snapped photos. It can be used to take photos and videos. He highlighted how Tesla has increased in one of his videos the quantity of Model Ys produced at Gigafactory 5 or Giga Texas. Based on footage captured by his drone while flying above Giga Texas, Tesla fans have discovered that the Gigafactory is presently closed. Every day, around 150 Model Ys are produced, with a weekly output of 1,000 units. But how is Tesla upping their game in terms of production at Giga Texas? According to experts, Tesla has significantly advanced its activities at its Giga Texas facility's battery cathode assembly location, and that approximately 60% of the construction of this new factory is already complete, with roof and deck installation expected to begin soon. The video now reveals that additional brackets and solar panels are being placed to accommodate the increasing number of solar panels positioned north of the letter T. The Gigafactory 5 in Texas, is also known as Giga Texas, has been manufacturing vehicles since December 2021. This list includes the Model 3, the company's best-selling model worldwide. Tesla also plans to build lithium-ion batteries in Giga Texas once production work at Giga Texas is completed. Tesla plans to begin building Model Ys in Texas later this year, after the factory's initial development phases are done. Tesla's achievements in developing Giga Texas continue to astound. Despite the lack of an official declaration, the photographs suggest that the company is having a welcome party for new staff. According to photographs published by @JoeTechmeyer/Twitter, Tesla staff have begun reporting to work at Giga Texas. To begin, a checkpoint with the words Tesla personnel and an arrow indicating the direction of travel was put up. Second, welcome balloons can be found in the staff room. It's worth mentioning that Tesla staff have been working at Giga Texas since August, when test sample production began. As a result, while this greeting may herald the entrance of a new group of workers, it is not always the case. The gigantic skyscraper in Giga Texas is nearly finished. The sole unfinished component is the central section, which spans from the factory's center to the south. At this moment, the installation of supports have already begun. The remaining structure is almost fully wrapped up in a shell. Because the construction is prefabricated, they should be installed as quickly as possible. We can see Tesla Model Y castings lined up inside the automaker's projected Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, thanks to a hidden video shared on YouTube by Teslarati writer Joey Klender. This isn't the first time we've seen Model Y parts in a non-operational plant, but the number of castings has dramatically increased. Klender stole the footage from Snapchat. The footage was undoubtedly shot and uploaded by someone with access to Tesla's Texas headquarters. According to Teslarati, thousands of Model Y castings are currently on site. Tesla plans to construct a Gigafactory near Austin before the end of the year. However, we've been keeping an eye on a number of drone flyovers that have significantly improved in the recent months, most of which were captured by Joe Techmeyer. There have been Model Y castings on the site for a long time now, but many of them were stacked outside. It's unclear whether the castings were totally fabricated in Texas or were sent there. In addition, it looked like Tesla was first testing the casting equipment and procedure. Early castings might be recycled, and the process could be restarted later. The castings are now neatly lined up within the plant, ready for production. According to sources, Tesla has begun pre-production Model Y crossover production in Austin. We are currently just waiting because we don't know when the facility will be functional. Once production begins, it will take some time to build up. This could imply that Tesla is on track to manufacture Model Y crossovers equipped with structural battery packs containing 4680 battery cells. There is no news on whether or not the new cells will be made available in large numbers. In order to expedite the world's transition to sustainable energy, Tesla creates infinitely scalable renewable energy generating and storage solutions for commercial and utility scale locations, including solar panels, solar roofs, the Powerwall home battery, and the PowerPack battery system. These products use the most eco-friendly energy source available, the sun. Tesla launched additional production lines in 2019 for electrical components for superchargers and energy storage devices. In 2017, Gigafactory 2 in Buffalo, New York, a 1.2 million square foot facility, began producing solar cells and modules. Over 800 workers have been hired at Gigafactory 2, and the facility's operations and output are currently expanding. The 88-acre Buffalo River facility was converted from a steel mill to a solar panel and cell manufacturing complex. When Tesla purchased Solar City in 2016, the factory's prior owner agreed to an agreement with Tesla, securing the development of Gigafactory 2. Tesla has pledged to generate 5,000 clean energy jobs in New York over the next 10 years, many of which will be based in Buffalo, converting the city into a hub of sustainable innovation and advanced manufacturing. Is this the world's largest battery facility? The key manufacturing areas in the Tesla Berlin car factory include the press shop, foundry, body shop, paint shop, and powertrain manufacturing. Tesla also plans to make the factory the largest battery cell manufacturing facility in the world. Musk believes that up to 100 gigatons of output per year is achievable. Capacity could be increased to 200 or 250 gigawatts per hour in the future. A single factory with a yearly output of 100 gigawatts per hour may generate enough batteries to power 1.3 million Model Y vehicles with 75 kilowatt per hour batteries. Tesla intends to produce new 4680 cells with a higher energy density and dimensions of 80 by 46 millimeters at its Berlin plant, thus the name. In January, the EU granted state funding for the battery project. According to George Steinbach, the Brandenburg economics minister, who was important in luring Tesla to the region, battery production might begin in 2 years. The entry-level model with the standard range will be phased out in 2022. The long-range Model Y is currently the standard model. When equipped with the standard 19-inch wheels, the long range now offers an estimated driving range of 330 miles. This represents a rise over the prior year. The range will be decreased to a claimed 318 miles per charge, despite the attractive 20-inch wheels. Now, the massive and rather thin infotainment display in the Model Y's center. The dashboard controls almost all of the vehicle's operations. The Tesla Model Y comes standard with the company's well-known cutting-edge technology. Autopilot is a semi-autonomous driving system. Giga Berlin, on the other hand, serves consumers in European markets, and Model Y is being produced, but hopes to expand into Model 3 production in the near future. In addition to these Gigafactories, the Tesla Fremont facility, located in Fremont, California, is Tesla's mother plant and is the company's largest manufacturing site. The Tesla Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y are all electric vehicles. All are currently manufactured at this site, which is the company's oldest manufacturing location. So now that you've learned everything there is to know about the upcoming Tesla Model Y and Giga Texas, are you thinking about purchasing a Tesla Model Y in 2022? Let me know in the comments box down below, and we'll discuss it. That concludes this video. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. Before you leave, like and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you for viewing, and I hope to see you again soon for more great videos like this.